Everyone, well, I thought it would be a little weird choreographing to myself and my words but I think I got over it really quick because I started to remember what I said yesterday, just linking back to why I even like started this whole thing of me doing music is like I strongly believe like I really wanted to elevate to a level where you could tell a story through song and dance. So yeah, I was married. I was completely married to that, and it helped me get through that awkwardness because like let's be real. We all were like, yo, is he really gonna choreograph to his own songs? And then I'm very aware that there was that discussion, that dialogue happening. But then I was like, you know what, you just gotta own it, man, because like you have so much to tell. Like I'm emotional, you know what I'm saying? Like you guys know,
No.
especially here in Fair Play. And I feel like I just have a unique story and
To tell, yeah.
yeah. So yeah, and then in terms of like creating visuals for it, I mean, it's like a theme park for me because like I think we all love creating just in general and creating something visually that will stimulate you. So that was nothing new. It was just I was super excited because it was like, wow,
Yeah.
you know, I get to create again, and like this time it's something that that I really believe in, and because like these are my words, it's my song, it's my moves, and so forth. But there was a time, I still am open to it, is that I was aware of, you know, choreographing to my own songs, like, oh, well, what if I don't want to choreograph to my own songs? Because like, in a way, I can see people saying, that's kind of selfish, man. You're like, you gotta really feel yourself, right? And I was like, well, there has to be another way. And I said, it'd be really dope if I collaborated with my friends, each and people that I looked up to, and then create with them to each song. So it's more or less about me, and it's about like just my experience and like who I'm around and who I'm inspired by. So I wanted to make even like something that was bigger than just me. Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
But all my friends are badass and they're so busy. So I had to quickly abort. abort. Switch to play. Yeah, I'm still trying to figure it out. Like, you know, I'm still trying. Yeah, we all are. We're all trying to figure it out every day. So,
Cool.
yeah, that's what my answer is today.